Hello, everyone. If you know about bot, you must have come across a bot like this, where you say something like, "What are your services?" And the bot will give you answer like this: that, "Hey, my first service is one-on-one session, and this is the description, this is the price, and here's my second service, which is project delivery. This is the description, this is the price." So in this video, I'm going to tell you how to create this kind of bot. This is like a video series, three-part series. So in this series, I'll tell you how to create this kind of bot using Microsoft Power Virtual Agent, PVA, as it is called in short. So in this series, I'm going to talk about a couple topics. This video is the intro video, but in the next video, I'm going to talk about a concept called basic card. We will not be using basic card in the final part that I showed you, but it's a good concept to know before you can go to the concept called adaptive card, which is the card that we will use in creating this kind of bot. And I'll talk about adaptive card in part 2 and part 3 of this video. So stay tuned, subscribe to my channel, and look forward to my next video, which is about basic card, and then following video, which will be in two parts for adaptive card. In second part, I'll cover the basics, and then I'll go into the advanced. Thank you.